back to my channel. So today I will be talking about my beach bunnies, pros and cons with them. I've been having them, so they're not my first impressions. They're like a review. So they're kind of messed up because I painted on them, and there's no painting on them that much anymore because I ramp. So that's one thing. So let's get started with this video. Before we get into this video, please subscribe if you guys are not already, and join our little family, the Pickle family. And please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out here. So let's get into it. So this is how the beach bunnies look. I cleaned them yesterday, so they're not laced up or with no toe stops. So this is how it looks. Sorry if you hear my air. The air conditioning's on and it turns off and then turns back on. So if you hear that, it's just that. So I was cleaning them yesterday and I wanted to do this video. If you guys are following me on my Instagram, you guys know that I painted on my skates. So yeah, these are the Periwinkle. I want to be right. Yeah, the Moxi set beach bunny Periwinkle medium size 9. So this is how it looks. I will show you everything that comes with it because I switched out my wheels and I put grind blocks. So that's the difference in here. Okay, so what comes with the actual boot are some beach bunny wheels. They're glittery, they're super cute. Some toe guards or toe covers or something like that. They're the Periwinkle and it has a little peachy, and laces. My laces are horrible because they're dirty and I use these, so sorry about that. It's like, yeah, they're dirty, but they're peach, if you kind of can see. It comes with some generic toe stops that I need to clean. Your girl has them really dirty. One of them is almost gone, like done for. This is my dominant leg that I stopped with, so yeah. So let me get into this. If you get the Periwinkle, this is how it looks. It has a little Moxi sign right here. That's super cute. It comes with a thick padding, like very thick padding. And then inside, it's the cutest design ever. I love it. Like, this is so cute. It has Estro's bunny, roller skates, and rainbows, hearts, and all that. So it's super cute. This is Estro's bunny. I'm guessing that's what she called them, beach bunnies, because she lives in Long Beach. And her shop is in Long Beach. Her first shop is in Long Beach, and she has a bunny. So maybe that's why. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, it comes with a little M on the side, and this one does not come with the nylon plate, so that's what I love. It comes with the actual metal plate. I don't know if you could see this, but this is medium cushions. On lollies, you usually get the soft cushions or the orange ones. What else can I talk about this? Pros. I love how stiff it is for skating, like for ramping, because your ankle has a lot of support. And I love how all Moxis come with this little lip. I want to call it a lip because I don't actually know what this is really called. Let me tuck this in. But it comes with this, and it helps prevent any blisters and hurting. The first time I ever used them, I didn't have a problem with them. So yeah. Okay, so cons, what I don't like about my beach bunnies. Honestly, I love my beach bunnies, but the only thing I don't like about is that my boot is kind of lifting. Well, not lifting, but it's detaching from the heel. So if you kind of could see, it's lifting. But if you guys seen Indy's video, she said hers was lifting too. And I had mine for probably, I want to say 5 months already. These were my actual Moxi skates, so this is how they're lifting. They're still attached. I still use these. These are my babies. That's why I cleaned them. But that's basically it. It comes with toe guards that I never used, because when I used them, they kept on like, every time I had them, they'll like move and it would look weird. And I don't know if I did something wrong, but I just gave up and I used my own toe guards. I used my yellow ones. Wheels, I never tried them. If you guys want me to try them, comment down below and I will try them for you. The only reason I didn't want to use them is because they're limited edition. They're like, they only come with the beach bunnies. You're not gonna see them, and they're glittery. This is so cute. But yeah, super cute. I never used them. I heard people like that have them, they squeak and you could feel everything with them, but I don't know. If you guys want to see me use them, comment down below and I will be using them. Regular shoelaces, I don't have a problem with them. The coloring is gone. They're not shiny anymore. There is parts that are shiny still, but who cares about that? I usually tend to wash them or switch them out. Let's talk about upgrades that I upgraded on mine. So I put Fun Day wheels, Moxi Fun Days, and my bearings are red bearings, and they're the red ones as well. And I have some Chicks and Bowls grinders. I really don't know the names of these, but that's how they go by Instagram, so Chicks and Bowls, so that's what I call them. But they're grinders. I will be doing a video on this too. What else can I talk about? My bunnies. That's basically it. Honestly, for your first skates, they're pretty good to get because they're not expensive as the lollies. Oh my god, I cannot speak. As the lollies, so they're pretty cheap. They're I want to say $150. And I believe they're vegan boots. And lollies are not vegan, and they're like $2.99 plus tax. But yeah, these were my first ever skates from Moxi. My sister bought them for me. Shout out to my sister. I will leave her link on down there. If you guys want to see me repaint them, because I'm gonna repaint them, because if you kind of see, they're officially gone. This side is gone already a little bit. Angelica just has her hair, so yeah. I will be doing a review if you guys want me to with these wheels on, and give you my thoughts about them, because I never actually used them. Okay, so that's basically it for my review on my bunnies, or not even a review, my update on my bunnies. I never did a review, but it could be a review too. So yeah, this is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out here on my channel, and let people know about this channel. Please share it on your Instagram, and I will repost you on my Instagram for shout outs as well. What's another thing? If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, then subscribe. Please subscribe, join the Pickle family, and I will be doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned, be subscribed, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload any videos on makeup tutorials, challenges, or skating videos. And my cat's being weird because she's been watching me since I did this video. But other than that, this week I will be doing a monochromatic with my skates, so stay tuned for that. One skates that I won't do is a purple skate, but because they broke, I'll get into that into another video for you guys. But I will do it, but probably not this week with all the other colors. And hopefully you guys are having a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time on my upcoming videos on my skates or makeup, or even see this one because she's always in my videos and she loves to be camera attention. She loves it. But I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye. She's a bye.